Hi everybody. How about we dig into the intriguing universe of the 2024 Toyota RAV4? Lock in as we investigate the features of this adaptable SUV, from its update to its state-of-the-art highlights. 1. The new Toyota RAV4 2024, a facelift with style. The 2024 Toyota RAV4C has gone through an enthralling facelift, upgrading its as-of-now striking appearance. With smooth lines, striking shapes, and a refreshed front grille, it oozes certainty out and about. Whether you're exploring city roads or wandering off in an unexpected direction, the RAV4's redone outside guarantees you'll knock some people's socks off. 2. Inside refinement and solace. Step inside, and you'll find a mindfully planned lodge. Premium materials, ergonomic seating, and adequate leg room make an agreeable shelter for both driver and travelers. The 2024 RAV4C flaunts a natural infotainment framework, complete with an enormous touchscreen show, cell phone reconciliation, and voice orders. Whether you're driving or leaving on an excursion, the RAV4's inside is your safe haven. 3. Powertrain choices, half-breed greatness. The 2024 Toyota RAV4 offers a half-breed variation that joins effectiveness with execution. Its half-and-half powertrain flawlessly switches among electric and gas modes, conveying noteworthy mileage without settling for less on power. Whether you're handling city traffic or cruising along grand parkways, the RAV4 half-breed guarantees a smooth and eco-accommodating ride. 4. Experience. Prepared elements. For those looking for experience, the RAV4 Adventure Trim is your optimal sidekick. Outfitted with all-wheel drive, AWD, rough tires, and expanded ground leeway, it's prepared to vanquish rough terrain trails. Whether you're enjoying the great outdoors in the wild or investigating bumpy territory, the RAV4 experience guarantees you're ready for the excursion ahead. 5. Well-being and innovation. Well-being stays a main concern in the 2024 RAV4 Cat. High-level driver help highlights incorporate versatile voyage control, path-keeping help, and programmed crisis slowing down. Moreover, the RAV4 coordinates consistently with your cell phone, permitting you to remain associated while maintaining your attention out and about. 6. Trim levels to suit your style. From the Sport, Excel, to the lavish, Limited, the 2024 Toyota RAV4 offers a scope of trim levels to match your inclinations. Whether you focus on execution, solace, or innovation, there's a RAV4 setup custom-made to your requirements. 7. Night lights and forest version. The 2024 RAV4 presents enthralling night lights, enlightening the way forward with a dash of tastefulness. Furthermore, the selective Woodland Edition consolidates tough style with refined subtleties, settling on it a champion decision for nature devotees. 8. Delivery date and estimating, right in your schedules. The 2024 Toyota RAV4 is set to hit showrooms not long from now. With respect to evaluating, Toyota plans to keep it serious, guaranteeing that you get remarkable incentive for your venture. In outline, the 2024 Toyota RAV4 consistently mixes style, execution, and development. Whether you're a city tenant, an open-air lover, or an educated driver, the RAV4 guarantees an elating and dependable driving experience. Lock in and prepare to investigate the world in your own special RAV4. Absolutely. The 2024 Toyota RAV4 Forks offers a variety of dazzling outside tones to suit your style. How about we jump into the range? 1. Army Green. A variety established in legacy and experience armed force. Green gives recognition to the RAV4's heritage as a vehicle intended for investigation. A striking decision stands apart out and about. 2. Blueprint. A smooth and current blue shade that adds complexity to the RAV4's profile. Whether you're cruising through the city or setting out on an excursion, Diagram oozes certainty. 3. Cavalry Blue. This lively shade brings out the soul of experience, ideal for those look for energy and believe their RAV4 should mirror their striking character. 4. Ice Cap. A fresh and clean white that supplements any setting. Ice Cap is flexible and immortal, pursuing it a famous decision for the people who value straightforwardness. 5. Magnetic Dark Metallic. A refined dim with metallic undercurrents. It radiates polish and coordinates well with the RAV4's cutting-edge plan. 6. Midnight Dark Metallic. Smooth, strange, and absolutely enamoring. 12 p.m. Dark Metallic adds a demeanor of complexity to the RAV4. 7. Ruby Flare. Pearl. For the people who love a hint of show, Ruby Flare Pearl is a rich red that gets the light delightfully. It's an assertion variety that requests consideration. 8. Silver Sky Metallic. An exemplary silver that oozes refinement. Silver Sky Metallic is immortal and supplements the RAV4's smooth line.